Hello. It's the afternoon of the 14th of April. Still furloughed. And I am re-gimbaled. So this should be a bit better. Let's So yes, I've finally got a new gimbal and I'm back using the Purple Panda microphone. So there should be a significant upgrade in video and audio quality. And for the first time ever, I'm recording on an iPhone. Yeah, so there we go. So it's been a day of limited success. I recorded a show with Harlequin on Team Human, and yeah, let's see if this works. No? So the new gimbal is working out well. All I've got to do is learn how to use it. So I've got the full follow thing whenever I want it. I've got quick follow and slow follow. So that works well. I've got lock and pan follow. Yeah, so the new gimbal is a Zhiyun Smooth 4. It's kind of cool because it does things like this. I have a zoom and I can defocus. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And that's all controllable from the gimbal. Nice. Pan follow. And the Purple Panda mic plugs straight into this, so less of an amount of stuff. Although I'm filming this currently in the Zhiyun ZY Play app. And yeah, I kind of like the other recording option that I've got called Mavis. That actually gives you a sound input thing. Although if I look really close, I think, yeah. So that's all kinds of interesting, although I might be switching to Mavis because it's actually got sound input bars, which I like. I like seeing the flickery sound lines. So yeah, but as far as I can tell, it's looking rather nice. So bear with me. And am I recording? Yes. So I'm recording now. A flashing light wouldn't go amiss. But yeah, so I can actually start and stop recording and switch from front to back cameras, all from the gimbal, which is nice. You may notice I've had a haircut, so that's one of my other upticks for today. So yeah, all in all, although it will require a little bit of editing, and hopefully the sound quality is okay, but I won't know that. Let's just do it. So yeah, so everything should look a lot nicer. I've got no hair left, which makes a mockery of me washing my hair this morning. So yeah. So it seems to be working really, really well. And I'm still out of shape. So hold on a minute. Let's do the pan. Nice. Let's do the full follow. Full follow is zoom. Nice. So yeah, all good stuff. A lot of controllability. I think I'm recording in 1080p. It's hard to tell on this actually. But yeah, so there we go. iPhone Purple Panda and Zhiyun Smooth 4. I think my friend Miles has had one for a while. They came out about 3 years ago. And there seems to be a lot of them on eBay for about 50 quid. So what a difference it all can make, you know, just a couple of years. So this is just me getting out. Had a pretty creative, tidy day. And yeah, I'm enjoying using the gimbal. Although it's slightly off centre because of the microphone. So I may need to get a bit of foam card just to act as a little squeezy bit to level it out just a smidge. So yeah, pan follow. Yeah. Yep. So I'm liking this camera controller that's built into the thing, especially the zoom. Probably in lock mode. Just tweak it slightly. And yeah, just try and keep myself in frame. Very difficult. Hold on. Yep. Yeah, no joystick on this, but you can manually move it while it's in lock mode, should you need to. My last gimbal had a joystick on it, but it really was a faff to sort it out. So yeah, we'll see. If I put display, it's giving me my ISO, my shutter speed. I go to menu, which you can't do. Can't do menu while you're in record. Yeah, not bad. I like it. And it's got a nice long battery life as well. And it will charge. I did wonder whether there was a charging point somewhere on here. Doesn't look it. Okay. So you have to tolerate me messing about with everything. No. I think some models had a phone charging point, but this one doesn't. But it will work on an Android or an iPhone. It's just Kevin is a geek, gave me an iPhone after having a hate relationship with it, and I spent 3 days trying to install stuff on it, and it didn't want to play, but it will act as a camera, and I've now figured out how to get music and audio and video onto it. So hurrah! It's Mars. So yeah. Yes. It's looking good. So let's go back to... Yep. So I'm liking this camera controller that's built into the thing, especially the zoom. Probably in lock mode. Just tweak it slightly. And yeah, just try and keep myself in frame. Very difficult. Hold on. Yep. Yeah, no joystick on this, but you can manually move it while it's in lock mode, should you need to. My last gimbal had a joystick on it, but it really was a faff to sort it out. So yeah, we'll see. If I put display, it's giving me my ISO, my shutter speed. I go to menu, which you can't do. Can't do menu while you're in record. Yeah, not bad. I like it. And it's got nice long battery life as well, and it will charge. I did wonder whether there was a charging point somewhere on here. Doesn't look it. No, so you have to tolerate me messing about with everything. No. I think some models had a phone charging point, but this one doesn't. But it will work on an Android or an iPhone. It's just Kevin is a geek, gave me an iPhone after having a hate relationship with it, and I spent 3 days trying to install stuff on it, and it didn't want to play, but it will act as a camera, and I've now figured out how to get music and audio and video onto it. So hurrah! It's Mars. So yeah. Yes. It's looking good. So let's go back to, merge much better. Let's put it into full follow. Yes, and find something interesting to see. So down, down. Nope. Physically move it down. Let's see what we can see. Not much. Pan follow. Bridge over there. I'll get there. That's as far as this will zoom in. I don't know what the zoom is. It's got a 4 times optical zoom. Yeah. There's a certain amount of automatic ISO going on, but this is the first time I've taken it out. I'm glad I'm not going to watch a parade in it with it and getting all the lighting wrong, but this is quite a nice first trial and I are enjoying it. I don't know whether it's using the right microphone or not, that's the only thing. So cover your ears, and if you heard a then it's using the Purple Panda. So yes, yeah, possibly need to lock in the ISO and the focus. But it's a really nice day. I've had a haircut and I've got a lot of stuff sorted out. All my camera gear is boxed and sorted. I'm very pleased with that. And no, I'm not currently doing the ninja walk. It's too dangerous. So, there's lots of things to play around with. There we go, that's a much better horizon. Framing this shot with the rule of thirds. Lovely. Yeah. Oh, it's nice to have a gimbal again. Should be significantly less juddery if I can learn how to walk on this uneven surface without making it jump up and down. But yeah. It's just taking all the effort out of it. And if it turns out it's worked well with the Purple Panda microphone, all to the good. All you got to do is hold the trigger down. And it'll do full follow. I'm really liking the zoom wheel. I can't think currently on these walking vlogs that there'll be a good reason for it. But going from camcorders to DSLR with no power zoom was, was certainly a thing. So yeah, I might leave it there. We've had adventures already today and cool stuff has occurred. So yeah, all those people that recently watched it, and the people that I speak to, people like Dean and my daughter and Kim in Australia, it's they're going to be glad that I've shut up about waiting for the gimbal to arrive, because I've talked about almost nothing else for the past couple of days. Ooh. Yeah. And it's nice. Bird song. It's relatively warm compared to how it has been. And yeah, I'm having a good day. Right. Right, so that's where I'm going to leave it. Thanks for watching. I know it's been a short video, but I'm really looking forward to getting home and putting all this all together. Yeah. Ooh, terrifying. So, remember, end greed, end poverty, and end hate, or we all die. And thanks for watching, and do take care. I'll speak to you soon. See ya.